Hello guys, today's video is about Zebec Network. So guys, Zebec Network is a multi-chain protocol operating on Solana and Ethereum that offers payroll payments and treasury management services. So guys, for almost 1 week, this project is blasting off. Like I mentioned in my last video, if you have spare money, you can buy this project. So guys, this project is up in 24 hours, 12.31%. In 7 days, this project blast up 119%. So guys, if you are interested in this project, the current price is 0.0063384 US dollars. So guys, you can buy this project if you have spare money. So guys, if you have coin market app, you click on markets. When you click on markets, you will see all listed platform or crypto exchange where you can buy this project. If you click on news, you will see all detailed news on this project. So guys, if you click on yield, you will see platforms where you can stake or earn more by saving or staking this coin. So guys, you can stake or save this coin on kick.start exchange. So guys, if you want to buy ZBCN, if you have Phantom wallet, you click on this. If you have Phantom wallet, you click on this. So guys, Zebec is one of the trending coins, so you click on it. Make sure you have Solana in your wallet. You click on swap. So guys, you swap Solana to buy ZBCN. You click on max. If you want to use all your Solana to buy, then you click on done. So guys, this is how to buy this coin on Phantom wallet. You can also buy on BitGet exchange. This is BitGet exchange. This is ZBCN. So guys, you can place your order. You click on buy. I have some already. So guys, you can buy ZBCN. So guys, if you want to protect your ZBCN, you can use SafePower wallet. You can use SafePower wallet to protect your ZBCN. So guys, I have some in my SafePower wallet. So guys, you can protect your coin. You can also use Trust wallet to protect your ZBCN, guys. So guys, I have some saved in my Trust wallet. So guys, this is how to protect your ZBCN. This is how to buy ZBCN and heavy detailed information of ZBCN. In my next video, I'm going to show you the website of ZBCN. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.